This small pillow can make a huge difference in someone's life. It is called a port pillow. This pillow cushions the chemo port and protects a patient from discomfort during car rides. Today I'm going to show you how to make one. It's really easy. And we are partnering with Beyond Basic Needs, a charity organization. And for every port pillow you make, we will donate $1 to Beyond Basic Needs to support their work. So if you're looking for a simple sewing project that turns fabric and time into real comfort and real impact, you're in the right place. Separate the Velcro pieces and take one piece and position it in the center on the right side of the fabric piece along the long edge. Then take the matching piece and place it face down on the other end of the fabric piece. Clip the second fabric piece on top of the first piece, right side facing. Mark where you will leave an opening for turning the project and stuffing it. Now sew all around the edges except for the turning hole. To sew the corners easily, make sure you have your needle down when you make the 90-degree turns. And don't forget to backstitch at the start and end of the turning hole to secure the threads. Clip off the thread ends. Turn the little pillow right side out and push out the corners with a chopstick or a sewing stiletto. Now you can start stuffing the pillow with your polyfill or cotton batting. Gently stuff it and don't make it too firm. And make sure that the stuffing is distributed evenly. Close the turning hole by top stitching on the edge. Clip off the little thread ends and that's it. This port pillow is ready. So for every port pillow you make, one breast cancer patient will feel a little bit more supported, and we help Beyond Basic Needs to continue doing their beautiful work. For every port pillow you send in, Madam Sew will also donate $1 extra to Beyond Basic Needs, up to $2,000. So whether you make one or you make 50, it truly matters. If you decide to join this challenge, click the link in the description below and find all the details. And if you know somebody who sews, share this video with them. Thank you for stitching with purpose and to turn something small like this into something meaningful. Bye!